more than half a century, the Midland Metro Station in my city down under has been demolished and rebuilt. With the first train arrived at the brand new Midland Station, VIPs, state political leaders and members of the community officially opened the upgraded hub. The community marked the milestone with celebrations, parties and barbecues. Now it's time for a nostalgia throwback, looking back at how the old station was demolished over the past few weeks and what followed. Enjoy.
Hey Gav, I think we'll have to take Dan and Harley's. Oh, right, yeah.
And tomorrow Sunday at 10 a.m, you've all voted for it. It's time for the R46 Rockaway Park Shuttle real subway action, plus bonus clips of the R179s. See you at the platform.
Click here to watch the full episode now.